a special marine warning for Lake Okeechobee until 11:40. At 10:16 a.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles west of Buckhead Ridge to 13 nautical miles southwest of Merhaven, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Canal Point, Liberty Point, Clewiston, Sandcut, Parkey, Buckhead Ridge, Lake Harbor, Colusa, and Merhaven. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter.